In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Flights to explore flight options to anywhere directly from the comfort of your home or office. Whether you're daydreaming about your next vacation destination or planning a spontaneous trip, Google Flights offers a flexible and easy way to browse flights to global destinations. So, let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Google Flights. Simply open your web browser and type https://www.google.com/travel/flights into the address bar. This will take you directly to the Google Flights homepage. Once you're there, before you get too far into planning, it's a good idea to sign in. Look for the sign in button, which is typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use for this session. After selecting your account, you'll need to enter your password. Go ahead and type that in, then press Next. With the logistical bits out of the way, you're now ready to start dreaming big. Look for the destination field on the Google Flights homepage. Instead of typing a specific city or country, click on it to reveal a drop-down where you'll find the Anywhere option. This exciting feature is your passport to discovering destinations you might not have considered. Once you click on Anywhere, the real fun begins. You'll notice that Google Flights prompts you to select your departure and return dates. This step is very important because it helps Google Flights customize your search results based on your availability. A calendar will appear, allowing you to pick the dates that best fit your schedule. Don't worry too much about the specifics. You're not booking anything yet, just exploring. After choosing your dates, hit Done. This will take you back to the main screen, but hold tight. The real magic is just a click away. Look for the Explore button. Clicking on Explore unleashes Google Flights' full potential, showing you a variety of destinations you can travel to, within the dates you entered, and often within a particular budget. What's truly remarkable about Google Flights is its ability to provide you with a wealth of information at your fingertips. Not only does it show you possible destinations, but it also gives insights into flight prices over time. This means you can adjust your dates or destination based on when it's cheaper to fly, helping you make the most informed decision possible. Now, while exploring, you might feel overwhelmed by the possibilities, and that's normal. Take your time to browse through the options. Click on destinations that intrigue you to see more details about available flights, estimated prices, and sometimes even brief descriptions of the destination to get you inspired. An additional tip for making the most out of Google Flights is to use the filters. You can refine your search by airlines, number of stops, and flight duration. This can significantly narrow down your options, making it easier to plan your trip around your preferences and needs. Remember, Google Flights is not just for booking flights, it's a powerful tool for exploring and imagining the possibilities. Maybe you'll discover a city you hadn't thought of visiting before, or learn that flying to a dream destination is within reach price-wise. Also, once you've found a flight or destination that catches your eye, don't rush to book it immediately through Google Flights. It's always a good idea to compare prices directly on the airline's website or check other travel websites. Prices can vary and you might find a better deal or more flexible booking options elsewhere. In conclusion, Google Flights is an incredible resource for both seasoned travelers and daydreamers alike. From logging in to exploring the ends of the earth, you've unlocked the secrets to navigating this powerful tool. Whether you're mapping out your next adventure or just browsing for future trips, Google Flights simplifies the journey from dreaming to departure. Who knows? Your next destination could be just a few clicks away. Thanks for joining me on this exploration through Google Flights. Safe travels, and may your curiosity lead you to remarkable places.